Okay then guys, so welcome back to another video on the Finance Forest YouTube channel. Today we're going to be covering the cryptocurrency Cosmos, aka Atom. I know this is a video that we did yesterday, but I've decided to cover it again today just simply because of the pure strength that this crypto is showing currently on the market. And we've got some exciting things to go through. Just before we do though, just before we go through the depths of today's video, I just want to thank everybody for the support over the last couple of days. It's been really exciting to see the support and the viewership come into the channel. I think we've had around 700 subscribers. We've had a lot of comments, we've had a lot of good feedback, a lot of likes, a lot of views. You know, to have 5,000 views over a 2-day period so early on is very overwhelming. I know we've got a lot of people coming over from TikTok, Twitter, things like that. So thank you very much for the support. My intentions are to carry on bringing you exciting content regarding crypto and obviously other financial things as well. So let's get into it. So the overall market today for Atom is up by 10.51%. The price is currently at $42.32. This is very close to the $45 all-time high. I think the all-time high is actually 40. Oh, so it's, yeah, my apologies. So it's $44.54 by the look of it there, which is relatively close. We're getting very close to that now, and I'm going to show you the graph a bit later and explain what I think will go on. But overall today the market is very steady. We're up over the last 24 hours by 1.39%. Not a huge deal going on. As I've explained in previous videos, after the 4th day of the year we do tend to see the market slightly increase and gain better momentum, which hopefully tomorrow and in the next couple of days we do. Not a great deal going on at all, as I've said. The only sort of, you know, major movement we've got is Atom here with 55.53% up for the last 7 days. Absolutely insane growth, absolutely insane profits being made right now. And I wanted to give you just an insight as to what's going on, why this essentially is the case at the moment. Now, Cosmos has a roadmap. They have a plan for what is going on over the next 12 months, so within the year of 2022. I'm going to briefly scan over just a couple of things in this article that I want to be able to share with you guys. I'm not going to go into depths with it too much. I'm just going to outline some of the key features. I'm going to leave the article link down in the description below should you need to obviously go ahead and read it yourself. But one of the main things is that interchain security. So that's currently being developed by the Interchain Foundation and Informal Systems. This shared security service allows Cosmos chains to be effectively lease security to others so that new chains can bootstrap their economies, and validators and delegators on larger chains can earn rewards for the service. So obviously, you know, as we've explained, you can stake your Atom. We've had some great feedback from some of you guys over the last couple of days. Apparently 5% is a very low return on your investment through Coinbase, and there's a couple of different ways that you can gain 7%, if not 14%, and I will try and include those in the description as well for you guys so you can gain a better return on your crypto. So that is another key feature as to why Atom is growing from strength to strength. The interchain accounts then will be landing on the Cosmos hub with the completion of the I think that's how you say Theater upgrade expected in the first quarter of 2022. Interchain accounts have several major implications for Cosmos ecosystem, one of which is the power to elevate Cosmos Diffie to the next level. This is because interchain accounts allow ecosystem chains to securely control accounts on other ecosystem chains rather than simply transferring the tokens from one chain to another. So it all keeps it in the same sort of ecosystem, which is great. The next thing is liquid staking. So obviously we've just briefly gone through that, so I'm not going to touch on that now. So we've also got Cosmos Diffie will explode. So with more fluidity in IBC connections, the ability to manage complex transactions across blockchain accounts and bridges to major ecosystem unlocking liquidity. Cosmos Diffie will explode. The public launch of Emiris is coming up in spring of 2022. Which will have some key features and capabilities for portfolio visualization, digital asset management, and service discovery, which will obviously maximize rewards generation, cross-chains, DEX, and aggregation. So I'm not going to go any further into this other than the fact of, Cosmos are really, really huge within the NFT space. There's a lot of NFTs based off this crypto and things like that. So I wanted to get into basically the graph, okay, and what I think is going to happen with the price movement, because I know there's a lot of questions at this moment in time with what is going to go on with the price. What do you think will happen? I'm getting a lot from you guys saying, is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? My honest opinion is I'm keeping long term. I think it's very important that we assess the next 6 months. But if you're short term, then I would definitely keep an eye on this graph that we have here. So I currently have it on the daily time frame just simply because I want to condense it down. As you can see, we have the all-time high here, which we are currently testing that sort of resistance line there. So let's draw a line on the all-time high, and as you can see, we're only $2 away from that. Now I think over the next couple of days we are going to see us breaking through the all-time high up to the $45 mark, if not higher, towards the $50 mark. I think if we do, and if we scrape $50, then it could potentially be a good time to sell. Just simply because, we can take some profits, go into a bit of a downfall in the bearish market, and then we can buy back in again. But I'm definitely going to be reviewing what happens with this bit of resistance with the all-time high here in the next couple of days. Can we break through that line there? And I really do think we can. I think, $50 over the next couple of weeks might be something that we can achieve, especially with if we can get the rest of the market to come along with us, then I think it's definitely something to expect. But I would keep an eye on it if you can by using TradingView. I will keep, more and more updates on the channel for you. The roadmap is just, very, very exciting. The article that I've got here basically explains that the Atom price could surge as high as $60, even $100 this year, which, I really, really agree with. It's definitely something long term that I'm going to be keeping my money within. It definitely seems like the developers and the marketing team for Atom know what they're doing. It seems very professional, very straight to the point, and just hopefully we can have a really, really good year with what is going on. Now, what I do want to know from you guys, I want some interaction going on down in the comments. I want to know what you guys think the price prediction, well, I want to know your opinion on what you predict the price to be essentially over the next 12 months. What do you think? Do you think we can hit an all-time high essentially? Do you think we can break through that? Let me know down in the comments, and hopefully we can achieve some really good profits from Atom. But thank you very much. That's all I've got for you today. As I said, I'm going to leave some really useful stuff down in the description below. I apologise if I've been a bit stuttery throughout today's video. Not quite sure why that is, but as I say, I'm getting to grips with talking to myself in a room, to a camera, to a computer screen. So thank you very much for your time. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.